Hi, I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Manchana, co-founder and managing director of Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad. We have branches located at Kukatpalli and Kondapur. Till now, we have given many dental educational videos. Today, I would like to discuss about a more important topic, which is oral manifestation leads because of the diabetes or a chronic diabetic disease. What is diabetes and how it impacts the oral cavity? Diabetes is nothing but increased level of glucose in blood. Because of the increased level of glucose in blood, there is more chance of bacterial infections in the oral cavity. When there is, what is the meaning of increased glucose in blood levels? Mean there is a decreased production of insulin. That is the reason why there will be chance of increasing glucose in blood levels. Because of increasing of glucose in blood levels, the bacteria will attract more people who are suffering from diabetes. When the bacteria attracts the tooth, it forms an acid. Whatever the food which is left in the oral cavity, that will be attracted by the bacteria, which in turn produces acid, results in forming the dental cavities. What kind of oral manifestations the diabetic patient is suffering from is, number 1, dental cavities. Number 2, gingivitis, that is gum disease. Number 3, periodontitis, that is loosening of teeth. Number 4, delayed wound healing. Number 5, disturbance in taste, that's like metallic taste, sour taste. Some people complain of sweet taste. Number 6, smell, acetone breath. The people used to get some acid smell. And there is chance of secondary infections like fungal diseases like lichen planus, candidiasis, oral thrush. So these kind of diseases will be more prone to the patients who are suffering from diabetes. Here what I would like to suggest to every diabetes patient who are suffering from diabetes is, every diabetic patient should visit the dentist once in 6 months for sure. Why? Because whenever we diagnose the dental problem at initial stages, we can arrest them easily as early as possible. So a dentist should be informed regarding the diabetes when the patient consult the dentist. So what I would like to advise to everyone who is suffering from diabetes is, please inform the dental doctor before you have consulted the dentist, and please inform to the dentist about from how many years the patient is suffering from diabetes and what kind of medicine he is using. If you don't inform to the dentist will do the treatment. It results in more infections and more problems. When there is high levels of glucose in blood, means if there is more, when there is more diabetes, when we do the treatment, when we extract the tooth or when we do some treatments in oral cavity, it results in delayed wound healing, that results in fungal infections, that results in more complications. That is the reason why a dentist should be informed regarding the diabetes. So today my advice is, every diabetic patient should visit the dentist frequently, in a year twice. If you like this educational video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. If you have any comments, please comment in below comment box so that we can give you more details. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Manchana, Elident Hospitals, Hyderabad. Thank you.